Welcome back. We are now going to find the volume of a pyramid. Okay? Now, a pyramid is defined as a polyhedron that has a base which can be any polygon and three or more triangle faces that meet at the apex. And the apex is a fancy word for the top. Come to a point, as you can see here. Boop. Point. Okay? So, the first step to finding out the volume of a pyramid is you need to multiply the length times the width, and then what you're going to do next is you're going to multiply that answer, okay, by the height, okay, and then the final step is to bring down that sum, okay, and then you're going to divide it by 1/3, or by 3. Excuse my talk. Divide it by 3. Okay. So, let's put those steps to use. Okay. First step, multiply length times width. Now I drew it down here just to make it easier to see so we didn't have to mess with the awkward angle that this creates, okay? So, it's an over exaggeration, obviously, but it is a rectangle, so we're going to roll with it, okay? So, length, 20 centimeters, okay? 20 centimeters, okay? Multiplied by the width. Width is 15 centimeters. Now, 20 multiplied by 15 equals 300. Okay? Now, 300 is the answer. But what are we missing, huh? I say we're missing the units. Okay? So, we got to make sure to bring those units with us. Can't forget them. And it's going to be centimeters squared because there's 2 of them. Alright? Now, we're going to bring this answer down here. So, 300. We're going to multiply it by the height, which is right here. Okay? Which is 30 centimeters. So, 30 centimeters. Alright? So, what we're doing here is 300 multiplied by 30. And that comes out to 9,000. Okay? Now, what are we going to do with our units? Because we have an extra one, which is weird. So, we're going to take the centimeters squared. We're going to add one more to it and make it centimeters cubed. 3, okay? Alright, now, last step. Bring this 9,000 right here. We're going to bring it down to here. And we are going to divide it by 3. Okay? So it's going to be 9,000 divided by 3, which will come out to be 3,000. And we cannot forget the units, which is this at this point is centimeters cubed. And we're not adding one more because there are no units attached to the 3. Alright, thank you for watching.